Hello students, and welcome to a quick tutorial in uploading your project folder from Maya. So, as stated before, for your assignment you are supposed to be working on your UV mapping assignment. Now, it's a zip file, so all you have to do is click on the link provided. It should show up right here as a zip file. Now, if you look right here in the top right hand corner, there's a little button icon with the little down arrow. This is your download. I want you to download it, and it should automatically be able to download your stuff. Now, depending on where it's saved, right here, for example, be sure when you're once you have the zip folder, be sure to go to extract all. So right click and extract all. So this will bring this here. So if you want to put the directory to it, you could either go to your documents or you could save it onto your desktop, whichever works for you. So once we have select folder, then press extract, and voila, you have it set. It should be there available for you to access. Now, when you begin to open up in Maya, be sure that you do it directly through Maya 2018. And so, once you have this opened up, all you have to do is go to File. So all you have to do is go to File and Set Project right here. Once it opens, you should have your options menu available. Now, click on Scenes and press Set. Then, what you're going to do again, go to File and Open Scene. Your open menu will be here. It should be already set to the file that was provided. Let's see here. And you should have the Apple model MB. So press Open, don't save, and you should be able to have access to your Apple model. This concludes for a quick tutorial of downloading the project. Thank you.